Slider Windows Clinton Township is a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern and functional window solutions. Our professional window installers in Michigan specialize in providing top-notch services to ensure your windows are installed with precision and care. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we help you reduce energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Energy-efficient windows. Clinton Township are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our double-pane windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing our insulated window systems, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Window Replacement Clinton Township services offer a wide range of options to suit your specific needs. Whether you're looking for custom window designs or affordable window options, our team of experts is here to guide you through the process. We provide comprehensive window consultation services to help you make informed decisions about your home window upgrades. Custom window designs in Michigan allow you to personalize your home with unique and stylish window solutions. Our vinyl slider windows Clinton Township are available in various colors and finishes, ensuring a perfect match for your home's decor. With our modern window styles, you can enhance the curb appeal of your property while enjoying the benefits of durable window materials. Double-pane windows in Michigan are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Our window replacement experts in Clinton Township are skilled in addressing any issues with your windows, from window glass replacement to window hardware installation. With our residential window solutions, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are in expert hands. Vinyl slider windows Clinton Township are a popular choice for their ease of use and low maintenance requirements. Our window maintenance services in Michigan ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition for years to come. From window sealing services to window screen replacements, we offer a comprehensive range of solutions to keep your windows functioning optimally. Window replacement. Clinton Township services are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our team of professionals is equipped to handle all types of window replacements, ensuring your windows are restored to their original condition. Whether you need window frame replacements or weatherproof windows, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Residential window solutions in Michigan are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Our eco-friendly window options in Clinton Township are perfect for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. With our window measurement services, you can be confident that your new windows will fit perfectly and provide optimal performance.